Available now at the Moorhead-Outlet store. We are demonstrating a 2011 Case TV380 with 531 hours. Let's take a closer look at the features on this skid steer. This Case TV380 features an 84-inch bucket and a hydraulic coupler, along with 3,800 pounds of rated lifting capacity and high-flow hydraulics and auxiliary hydraulics. This TV380 is equipped with ride control and is self-leveling, and features a 2-speed transmission. The cab is fully enclosed with air conditioning, hand controls, and radio. Thank you for viewing this Case TV380. If you're interested in a skid steer and would like to contact our sales team, give them a call at 877-886-7010. If you're interested in viewing more equipment, go online to TitanOutletStore.com.